How you doing, folks? This is TJ from GX5. Today I'm going to be demoing iClueless, the ultimate search portal for the iPhone and the iPod Touch, which is available in the App Store right now. So right now, as it is, Safari on the iPhone and iPod Touch is great for browsing the web. However, when you want to search the web, you're only limited to searching Google. And with iClueless, we want to give you the ability to search the whole web. So when you launch iClueless, you will see right off the bat that all the great search engines out there are available to you and all the great reference sites. From the layout, you'll also notice that some of these search engine icons have circular icons to the right of them. Those are search groups. So, for example, if I select movies, it's going to bring down a list of all the search engines within the movies category. The same thing with images. You can see that I can search Flickr and I can search Google Images. We think this is a very intuitive layout and it saves you scrolling, searching for our search engines. So, let's go through it. Let's say I want to search, a friend was telling me about a cool car called the McLaren SLR. So I'm going to just type that in. And I'm just curious to what this car looks like. So I just go to images and I select Google Images. And you will see that it will then load all the images that it finds of the McLaren SLR, and it does it pretty quickly. And the reason why this happens is because we're using the mobile version of the Google search engine, image search engine, and we do this for many of the search engines. We use the mobile version because those load faster and the layout is formatted to the iPhone. So as you can see, I can see all the images of the McLaren. I can select whichever one, and I can see that's a really cool car. Now, because images is part of a group, I can also jump right to Flickr without having to type again, and I can see all the images of the McLaren that people have uploaded. So that's very useful. If I want to search movies, the same thing kind of applies. So if I want to find the closest location to a movie I'm interested to around me, I can do that with iClueless because with auto locate on, it'll find your current location, and based on that, it'll find the closest movie to you. So I'm just gonna go take, for example, take Inglourious Bastards, and I'm gonna select movies, and I want the listings, and it's going to acquire my current location. And once it's acquired my current location, it's going to tell me the closest movie theater so I can go see this movie. And as you can see, it loads very quickly because, like I said, we've taken the time to make sure we get you the mobile version of the search engines so that you get your results fast. And once I find out what time the movie is playing, I can go to IMDb, I can go to Rotten Tomatoes to see what people are saying. With IMDb, I can find out more about the movie, the cast, the directors, and things of that nature. So that is iClueless in a nutshell. It is very useful. It gives you a great productivity boost on the go. For example, if you're out there and people are saying certain slangs you don't understand, maybe you've never heard the word BFF. Okay, you can then go, you can then type that in. Let's see, and you can go to dictionary, and Urban Dictionary is a great one to use for slangs that people use that you don't find in the dictionary. And once I select Urban Dictionary, you see that it'll load up pretty much right away with the definition of what BFF is. So it's very useful, improves your productivity on the go, and we hope you like it. It's available right now in the App Store, and you can go get it. Thanks.